cars and their specifications in this slideshow. You can see the inside and outside and pictures of the engine. The name of this car is 2021 Lamborghini Huracan Evo RWD. How much is a Lamborghini Huracan Evo RWD Spider? Image result for 2021 Lamborghini Huracan Evo RWD price at $229,428. The Huracan Evo RWD Spider is the most affordable drop-top Lambo you can buy. It's around $21,000 more expensive than the coupe version, though, which comes in at $208,571. Top speed 325 km per hour and 202 miles per hour. 0 to 100 km per hour 3.3 seconds. Engine 5.2-liter V10. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe and like us. Tell us your opinion about this car, and if you want car information, tell us in the comments section so that we can prepare it for you.